Welcome to our tutorial on mastering flash settings on the Nikon Z50. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to set up flash for optimal lighting in your photos. First, ensure your camera is powered on and set to your desired shooting mode. Slide the lever upwards to activate the flash. Then, locate and press the I button to access the quick menu. Navigate to the flash mode option using the directional pad. You'll be presented with various flash modes. For general shooting, we recommend using the fill flash mode, which automatically adjusts the flash output based on the scene's lighting conditions. If you're concerned about red eye in your photos, you can enable red eye reduction in the flash settings. This feature emits a pre-flash to reduce the appearance of red eye in your subjects. Rear curtain sync fires the flash at the end of the exposure, creating light trails behind moving subjects, while flash off disables the flash altogether. Once you've made your selection, press the OK button to confirm. Next, let's explore the flash compensation settings. Navigate to the flash compensation option in the photo shooting submenu. Here, you can adjust the flash output to make your subject brighter or darker as needed. For balanced lighting, we recommend starting with a flash compensation value of 0. Once you've set your desired flash compensation, press the OK button to confirm. Now that you've configured the flash settings on your Nikon Z50, you're ready to capture well-lit photos in any lighting condition.